Hey everybody, Johan Magnusson here, Big Swede Barbecue, and today we're making Cornish hen and potatoes on the Pro 5 from WPPO. The first thing that we want to do is to get a good fire started. I like to use pecan wood, then we're going to throw in a couple of royal oak tumbleweeds and let the loop lighter do its thing. So while we're waiting for the oven to get up to temp, it's time to start preparing the potatoes, because the potatoes, they're going in first. For this dish, you want to use small creamer potatoes. You want to start by tossing them in a little bit of olive oil and some flaky sea salt. Then add them to a cast iron skillet and put it in the pizza oven. And you want to roast these for about 15-20 minutes because they cook a little bit longer than the Cornish hen. So while the potatoes are roasting in the pizza oven, it's now time to prepare the Cornish hen. And the only thing that I did to these was that I took them out an hour ago from the fridge and let them sit outside in room temperature to dry out a little bit. And the only thing that I'm going to do to them is just give them a dusting of our Big Swede Barbecue Badass Bird Boost on both sides. We're now going to let it sit for a couple of minutes so the seasoning can adhere to the Cornish hen. Then we're going to place them on top of the potatoes and put the cast iron back in the pizza oven. We're now going to let this roast until we get an inner temperature of 165 degrees, and all that good fat from the Cornish hen will drip down onto the potatoes, and it will just make everything taste amazing. You also want to make sure that you rotate both the potatoes and the Cornish hen every 10 minutes or so. When the inner temperature hits 160, you can add a couple of small cherry tomatoes as well. It's been about an hour now, and the Cornish hen are sitting at an inner temperature of 165 degrees, so it's time to remove them from the pizza oven and start plating. And that is how you make Cornish hen with potatoes on the Pro 5 from WPPO. And I think the only thing left for me to do is to try this and see what it tastes like. So here we go. Crispy skin, perfect Cornish hen flavor, and the potatoes, the potatoes are so rich from all the fat that was dripping from the Cornish hen. This is a really good recipe. I hope you try it at home. Happy grilling.